What reward programs are available with the Wells Fargo credit cards? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you what sort of reward programs are available with Wells Fargo credit card. Now, depending on which card you have, rewards are issued as points or cashback. For example, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card and a Wells Fargo Signify Business Card earns cashback. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card and Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card earns points. So likewise, you will earn 6 reward points, 3 bonus points for each $1 spent on a net dining purchases. Now purchases minus return credits. Now 4 reward point, 2 bonus points for each $1 spent on a net travel purchases. Now purchases minus return credits and 2 reward points, that is 1 bonus point for every $1 spent on net purchase. Now to get to know more about the reward purchases, you could go to the link, that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com. So right on this page, you'll be able to find all of the credit card that is available. So find, as well as you can find the information or the reward point. You can see these are the reward section. You could go through each of these cards and accordingly state about it. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.